Hey, I'm Peter and I'm the founder of Footshop. For the last 11 years, we supplied the youth in CEE with limited, unique and premium sneakers and streetwear. It all started as a vision to be the best retailer in the Czech Republic. It's a dream come true that today our community is spread across the whole CEE region and beyond.
Since opening our first store in Prague, we started building our brand and reputation through live events and parties. Our goal is and always has been to be as close as possible to the customers.
Since day one, we had a close connection to art. We have art spaces in all our stores. They are like public galleries where sneakers and streetwear merge with room for creativity.
Since we believe in creativity as a key pillar of inner balance and happiness, we also created dozens of art projects over the years for our community. Through this, we support local creatives across borders. At the same time, we push the boundaries of what a sneaker store can stand for together with globally known artists.
Central Eastern Europe used to be undervalued. We explain to brands that there are people who love fashion in this region. It is our mission to bring the best product to the market. We are proud that people don't have to travel anymore to put their hands on top-tier products. This gives us energy and motivation, and we are still only at the beginning.